To position an object, or transform it as it's known in the biz, use the tools in the toolbox. However, no amount of transforming is going to change my sphere's shape. How do I make it look like this? For that, I need to drill into an object's components, which I can do by changing to component mode up here. Notice how the object turns blue? Now I can use the same toolbox tools to transform individual components, thus changing the sphere's shape. A polygon object like this is made up of three types of components: vertices, edges, and faces. You can quickly swap between them by holding the right mouse button and selecting the desired component from the marking menu. You can even shift-click multiple components to transform them all at once. Or marquee select them by dragging the mouse. From the marking menu, I can also return to object mode, which turns the object green again. This lets me go back to transforming it as a whole. Then I can go back to a component mode when I want to change its shape again. So just remember, object mode to transform, and component mode to change shape. Now that you've got the basics down, I think it's time to build your first model.